Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Malinee from Malinee Sati channel. Today I'm gonna make avocado chocolate mousse with organic lavender from my very own garden. And if you are interested, please keep watching. If you are on keto diet or vegetarian or low carb diet, this menu is perfect for you. I'm gonna use half and half because I'm on keto diet, or if you have whipping cream, you can use that too. But if you are vegetarian and also keto diet, you can use almond milk without any sugar. But if you doesn't care about sugar intake, you can change to rice milk or soy milk. So I'm putting 150 ml of half and half into my Vitamix, or you can use any blender. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of almond. Almond is a good source of protein and also good fat. Next ingredient is 1 banana. Although banana has sugar, but I feel that it's very necessary for making avocado chocolate mousse, because without banana, I can still feel and smell the avocado. Because I have been trying the avocado chocolate mousse from many recipes, and none of those recipes using banana, and without banana, I can still smell avocado. And this recipe can make 5 to 6 servings, so the sugar intake is pretty minimal. Then I'm adding 2 packets of WholeEarth. WholeEarth sugar substitute is made from monk fruit and stevia, so the calorie is almost zero. Next, adding 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then adding 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Next is our key ingredient, which is avocados, 325 grams. I'm using 3 medium size of avocados. I'm gonna use 10 cacao beans. This will intensify our chocolate mousse. It's optional, but I think it tastes much better and smell much better. If you don't have cacao beans, you can use 2 tablespoons of cacao nibs. This is how it looks like after I peel out the shells. It smells very, very good. Blend everything together until you get the smooth texture. Done. Then you're gonna get the smooth texture like this. I put around 3 spoonfuls in the glass. Garnish with some sliced almonds. If you have some strawberries, you can garnish with strawberries to make it more colorful. Then sprinkle with edible lavender. This is what makes my chocolate mousse very special and distinctive. And when you eat this chocolate mousse, you're gonna get the lavender fragrance. So it will look like this. Look very yummy. You can eat it right away, but I feel that it tastes better when you refrigerate overnight. This chocolate mousse is very rich with a hint of banana and lavender. So I get around 5 glasses of chocolate mousse. Each serving is around 3 tablespoonful. This dessert is very healthy and contain a lot of good fat and also protein. I hope you give it a try. And if you like this video, please subscribe so you won't miss my next video. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.